The high school renovation project is moving forward with another major step earlier this month. The North Penn School Board authorized a community referendum for the purpose of financing new construction that includes space for 9th grade students to be educated on campus and renovations of North Penn High School. There will be a special election for North Penn residents to be held on January 16, 2024. If approved, designs would begin based on the schematic budget drawings with bids going out next fall. Construction would begin at the end of the next school year. Superintendent Dr. Bauer is here with an update. Dr. Bauer?
Thanks, Anna. I know this is a topic that we've been talking about for quite some time. I know many of you may be getting tired of hearing these updates, but come January, the North Penn community will decide how the North Penn School District will be organized for the next 30 years. We have had only a handful of these decision points in the history of the school district. In 1955, when North Penn High School was created, in 1971, when the new high school was opened here in Talmenson, and in 1996, when K-Pod was constructed to expand the high school in lieu of a construction of a second high school. And now, January 16th, 2024. When the community votes to determine whether 9th grade will move to North Penn High School, it will have a ripple effect, changing how middle schools and elementary schools could be organized. This is a generational decision. A yes vote on the referendum reimagines North Penn High School with a 9 to 12 configuration, next generation learning environment, and provides for flexibility on how we manage middle and elementary school levels. A no vote will maintain the status quo, keeping everything as it is today at all levels of instruction. Many have asked me, why can't we do both? Why can't we reimagine North Penn High School and leave 9th grade at the middle schools? Well, it all comes down to our borrowing capacity to finance future projects, particularly at the middle schools. The referendum will allow North Penn the capacity to fund a reimagined North Penn High School with 9th grade. It is the reason that option 1 is $403 million, but option 2 is $236 million. In option 2, those additional funds must be used for renovating all 3 middle schools if 9th grade does not move to the high school. My ask as superintendent is for you to learn about the 2 options, ask questions, talk to your neighbors, and for all of our eligible voters to vote on January 16th. This will not be the last time that we talk about the renovation. Take a tour of North Penn High School, visit the reimaginenphs.org website, and join us for a community forum on Tuesday, December 6th at North Penn High School. That's it for now. Back to the desk, Anna.
Thanks, Dr. Bauer. Just a reminder, tours of North Penn High School are available with Mr. Pete Nicholson every other Tuesday from 6 to 7 p.m. Meet at the main entrance of North Penn High School and check out our website for details.